Hey everybody, it's Christine, and I am joining with some other YouTubers this month to do a series on how to kill a kit with style. Now, I decided rather than do a straight up kit or straight up collection, I was going to do a whole bunch of beach themed stuff because I got a bunch of beach pictures and I have a lot of beach themed papers and such. Some of this is newer, stuff that I just want to use. Some of it is older, stuff from old kits and old collections. So let's dive in and take a look at what you're going to see me using. First up, I've got this 3D sticker set from Paper House that is a beach themed boardwalk set. And then I've got these cute clips from Doodlebug Design. And then another set of stickers from Paper House. These are micro stickers, so you can see they are really teeny tiny. And then I've got this foiled sticker set from Amy Tan. You can see obviously how it will fit into the beach theme nicely. And then, let's see, I'm trying to kind of cover the embellishing part first. I've got these little cards from Fancy Pants from several years ago that have some that are really beach themed and others that are just, they fit the color scheme. And so I decided to pull those out. I also have this font from Fancy Pants, which was a bigger font. And you can see how the colors will work nicely in there as well. And I would really like to use a lot of that up. Then I have another font, also from Fancy Pants. You can see, again, the colors will work really well. A little bit softer, but still has that good color scheme going on for beach photos. Okay, let's see what other embellishments I have here. Okay, I've got this sticker set from Echo Park. You can see I've used quite a bit of it already, but I'm going to continue to work on it. And then I've got 3 of these sticker sets from Paper House that all go with the same collection. You can see I've knocked out a lot of this one. The goal is to really completely knock it out, and then this is just kind of filling the gaps where I need it. Then I've got some, this is a slightly different color scheme, but still the beach water theme. This is Anchors Away from Doodlebug, and it's not a perfect match in the color scheme I was going for, but some of the colors do work. The turquoise, the orange, the yellow, the green, really the royal blue and the red are the ones that don't really fit. But because I have 3 boys, I didn't want to eliminate it as a possibility because I thought I might need those colors. So I included most of this collection within. This is some little banners pieces from that same collection. And then I've got the Fancy Frills border set. And the 6x6 paper pad. Icons. And then little enamel shapes. This one, like you can see, I used the whale already. I just have the waves left. Okay, and then moving into some other Doodlebug. Let's see, I've got this little shell here. And then another Doodle Pop, this palm tree. And then 2 different sets of the shape sprinkles. This one matches the boy one, but it's in girlier colors. And then this one is palm trees, flamingos, and pineapples. Then I have some labels and tags. And you can see this is more the color scheme I was kind of working in. So you can see where the red and royal blue don't necessarily fit. But like I said, I didn't want to eliminate them completely. And then another set of icon stickers. These ones come from the Fun in the Sun collection from Doodlebug. And here's a big set of stickers. So this and that stickers from Fun in the Sun. And then, let me see, I want to make sure I cover everything before I get to paper. Okay, I just have a few more things from Paper House. This little snapshot sticker set that's a shaker. I know I'm not going to be able to use the Florida part, but I could potentially cover that up, maybe. But I know I can use the Paradise part. And then also this sticker set that has the snapshots as well, but without the shakers. Again, I could pull the Florida part off and make that work for me. And there's just some good fun stickers in there that match with the color scheme I'm going for. Now I pulled out this Bella Boulevard paper pad because it has, again, a lot of those colors that I was looking for. And I thought it might be useful for some parts here and there. And then here's the papers for the collections that I'm going to use. I'm going to use Paradise Found from Paper House Productions. I'll just flip through. You can see this one does have the royal blue, so there may be more use for the royal blue than I anticipated. Definitely lots of the bright tropical colors. We already saw that one, actually. We saw that one. Sorry, I've definitely got doubles of some of these. Okay, this one's a different one. Here's another new one. Cruise one. Some pretty flowers on the back. That one we've seen. That one we've seen. I tried to pull them all out, but you can imagine with this many papers, you still have some doubles. Okay, so then here's the Anchors Away from Doodlebug. The bubbles, and then the back side is a bunch of little icons. Anchors, and some squares with icons. Then this pretty green linen look. And stripes. Stars. And then I probably won't use that. So if I use this one, it will be likely that side. Then it's red stripes and ships and lighthouses on the back side. Actually, not ships, sailboats, sorry. More anchors, but this time multicolored. And then some little cut apart pieces on here. And this one's a map. I have used this one before several years ago. I probably won't use this side again. This one has smaller stripes with dots. And then there's that bubble sheet again. We've seen that. Again, I tried to go through, but obviously I was tired when I was going through these because I didn't eliminate a lot of the doubles. Final collection, no, not final, actually, two more. Under the Sea, that's the girl one that's opposite of Anchors Away. Came out a couple years ago for Doodlebug, so obviously I am really looking to use up these papers. This is a pretty scallop one, and then it's got orange starfish on the back. Sand dollars, and then just a pink monochromatic sea theme. Stripes, and mermaids. Bubbles, but multicolored bubbles, and fish, green plants, and a whole bunch of icons, whales, and then kind of an orange linen look. And then these are from the Fun in the Sun collection, which was another summer one, but not as much of the water theme, but obviously it'll still work for beach stuff. Pineapples, and then just a nice yellow monochromatic one. Flowers, and an orange monochromatic one. It's one of the things I love about Doodlebug is they almost always have a nice simple backside. So this one, you can see this is a simple backside, and then very colorful busy on the front side. So if the front side isn't working for you, the backside might be just what you need. Cut apart page, and then the backside is a whole bunch of different beach icons. And then here's a border sheet and some tiki masks, colorful plaid, and then a succulent backside, which I probably will not use. Pink, and then flamingos, green tropical plants, and more cut aparts. Light green palm trees. Apparently there's adhesive on the back side. Yes, there is. Take that off. And some dots. And then finally some wood grain paper. And this back side. So there you have it. A whole gigantic beach kit that I will be working with throughout the month and be sharing layouts with you. Be sure to check out everybody else's channel to see what else they will be playing with. And stay tuned. I've never done anything like this before. It should be a fun experiment.